Nearly 1 in 5 adults live with a mental illness, according to the National Institute of Mental Health. This month is Mental Health Awareness Month, and NBC 26's Jenna Bree tells us how local advocates are working to erase the stigma around it all.
The most rewarding is when somebody comes back and says, "You changed my life."
Laura John has dedicated the past 10 years of her life to normalizing mental health.
We need to get people connected, to feel like they're heard, to be validated, and be able to seek services without judgment.
She says mental health is just as important as physical health and hopes society is getting closer to accepting that.
Helping patients to really learn how they can live with their illness and helping them to stabilize so that they can enjoy their lives and really live the life they deserve.
Rogers Behavioral Health has family programs for all treatment, from OCD to depression, PTSD, and addiction. Patients are in the room with their therapist and their family members.
It doesn't just affect that person, it affects everyone in their lives that care about them.
Jenna Cummings says no matter what an individual is going through, they need to see they're not alone.
When you're in a group and you can share something and then someone is able to relate to that, I think that's incredibly powerful. It makes you feel like, okay, well, I'm not alone. I'm feeling this too, and I have this support.
John says throughout the pandemic, there's been an increase in patients needing treatment.
It's about, you should know better, you should be smarter, you should be stronger. You know, why are you isolating? Why aren't you doing things? Like, just get up and do them then. And that's so much easier said than done. And so I think that stigma really comes from a place of misunderstanding, lack of education, and fear, right? Like, a lot of people fear mental illness.
But now, with free virtual screenings and telehealth, therapists are able to bring more help to more people.
It's okay to not be okay and to talk about that.
Another big part of Mental Health Awareness Month is making self-care a part of your everyday routine. Whether it's going for a quick walk, reading a chapter of a book, or talking on the phone with a loved one, therapists say a little self-love goes a long way. In Green Bay, Jenna Bree, NBC 26.